We start with the 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. As we can see, we have been within this uptrend. I know want to see what's the next. First thing, if you put desktop and relative to the previous one, if you refer to the indicators, we see we have a divergence. This is the things we need to quite and be careful about. If for those traders, they keeping the trade within this move. At least they move their stop loss to break even. And what's the next? Based on 1 hour chart, the next level I'm looking for, I want to see whether the price can break 47.4 or not. All right. Anyway, we start with daily chart. If we move to daily chart, we are looking for the reversal. The only thing is we want to see whether this one can turn to flat in relative to this for one more drop or not. We need to be quite careful because since most of the charts they have a similar movement. That's why if we want, I mean, if we get the deeper correction for continuation, it can give us better confirmation for us. Anyway, we have been looking for the reversal, and if I move to forward chart, this is what we're looking for. All right, we want to see whether we can get the correction for continuation, and beside that, we wanted to see the breakout of the previous top. As we can see, the price broke and drop. You know, we want to see whether this is a correction for continuation or it can turn to a flat as expanding for one more drop. That's why we need to see the breakout of the 47.4. At least the price break the support for the previous correction. That means the price entered the zone for the previous correction. Then from there, we need to see the breakout of this zone 51. After the breakout of 47.4, the next level we're looking for is 51.2. And we need to see the breakout of this zone, all right, to confirm we are with the uptrend. And the best things is if this one turn to a correction, deeper correction. That's why if you want to look for buy, as long as the price haven't break 47.14, we need to be quite careful in case this one turn to a flat based on forward chart. Rather than that, we have nothing else to discuss. And if you move to 1 hour chart, we mentioned about the divergence. And right now, if we want to look for trade, if we get one more drop internally, we can look for flat. Any reversal as a sharp move flag, we will take it. The next level is again 47.4, following by 51.2. All right. And having entry above this one can be an option. All right. But we should know that if the price tag, there is no continuation because of the divergence, may this one turn to deeper correction. That's why we should know how to manage it. And if the price drop, then we can, with the breakout of this low, we can put our entry above here. Either we put our entry above the top or we look for the reversal. All right. Simply we cannot buy. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.